simple way to make this, to knead the atta. So I have taken this much, like 1 big cup of Ashirwad multigrain or normal you can use. Okay, so you can use any one. This is Ashirwad multigrain. And then I'll put salt and water to knead this. So just mix this all and slowly add water to this. So welcome to this cooking channel, Wells Quick Tips and Trick. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता की तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली. होप यू आर ऑल डुईंग वेल and hope you all are enjoying these 2 languages which I narrate from here, I speak from here, I talk from here. So make a soft dough. हे सगळे बरे भशेन मळून घेयात. हांकां सगळ्यांक बरे भशेन एकठांय करून एक बरोसो गोला करात. So this is the base for our chapati, roti, puri. This is the main. And this is whole wheat multigrain atta. And if you need like this only dough for maida, then you will get naan. But that is of maida. This is done. Now we will add little bit of ghee or oil, anything. So I will use ghee, any ghee, or you can use any lard or any oil. And I will keep this for resting for 5 minutes, and then we can do whatever we want to do on this. Okay, so we'll cover this and keep. Thank you. Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. Soglang tumka yokar dita maja cooking channel ache. And today I will show you how you can make puris, quick puris, in an easy way. Okay, so this is the dough, and we are going to make puri with this. You know, on the first video I showed you how to put cling film. I will share you the link where you can buy this. And so cling film is here, cling film is here, and let's make some puris. I've already showed how to make rotis. So for that we need this. We need some kneaded dough, some oil for frying the puris. So I'll take, so we want small puris are like small puris, so make small this out of this. So let's keep this here. And press. And here is our puri ready. You don't have to cut or nothing. So now the thickness, you just see how it is. This is okay for the puri. So I will do the second one. Quick puris. See, so quick and instant. One more I'll do for you. Okay, so if you want bigger puri, then of course, like bhature style, then it will has to be like this big one. So this is like bhatura and all you get. That is a bigger one. So this is like big puri. Okay. So let's fry this. So now to fry we need oil, some cooking oil. So this is a cooking oil. So I am using sunflower oil, cooking oil. So let this become very hot. It has to be very hot. Then keep everything ready. This one and this one too. So let this become hot. So now oil is hot. तर आता मी भाजून घेऊया. ओके, फर्स्ट पुरी केन्ना केन्ना फुलना. ओके, it depends. ओके, फुल्ली बरी फुल्ली पळय. The oil should be very hot. मातशें तेल बरें गरम आसोंक जाय. ओके, घालिया. आता मी ओनली घालूया. Now we put that big one that is like batura size. Okay. Here. Wow. Quick and easy puri. So hope you all will enjoy making this. Okay, and easy with that. So bes tras na. So thank you so much for watching my cooking channel, and सगल्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. हे तुमी सगळीं जाणां खंयच्या गांवांत सुट्या पळयता. थँक्यू सो मच. सो आनी होप तुमी एन्जॉय करतले ह्यो पुरयो क्विक करपाक, स्पेशली फॉर द यंगस्टर्स एक्चुअली, like who wants to but they will go to hotel and all. So why not do at home with this roti maker, puri maker. You don't have to bother much, but yet your puris are ready. So dev bare karo. Thank you so much for this watching and support of yours all. Thank you.